Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change starting point on Waze. It's super simple, so get started. First, open the Waze app on your device. Now, on the way to set your start points is by tapping where to and entering the address you want to start from. Here, click and enter the address. I have it. Click on it, and then after typing it, tap more and select set as starting point. Here it is, set as starting point. That's it, your custom start point is now set. Now just enter your destination like normal. And the second method is even quicker. Just zoom in on the map, tap and hold your desired starting location, and then click the three dot. After that, you will have an option here like this one, preview location, and mark your parking spot. Click again more. Here you can see set as start option. Your now new route will now begin from the point you selected instead of your current location. If this video was helpful to you, drop a like or leave a comment. If you want more Waze tips, don't forget to subscribe.